Hey, howdy, hey, and happy holidays.
All those toys you get for Christmas, treat them nice.
Two little elves doing?
House number one.
Oh, I see Olaf.
Good afternoon. I am Olaf.
Hey, Olaf!
Please let me finish, and I like work posts. This is my associate Sven. We're going door to door looking for family traditions. Tell us yours and we'll decide if it's special enough.
Oh, we make candy canes together.
Sugar rush.
You're supposed to eat it.
Eat my new nose? Why would I do that?
Because it's that time of year.
It's that time of year. Happy time of year. Love and joy and peace on earth and tidings of good cheer. Do you have tradition things for that time of year?
Well, we hang a mouse of evergreen on every single doorway.
Bake a giant cookie in the wavy shape of Norway.
Go from door to door to door while sailing with our choir.
Hang up all your giant socks above an open fire. That sounds safe. So happy, merry Yuletide carol, faithful friends are dear. Thanks for sharing what you do at that time of year.
How cool.